Hi, I'm Malcolm.
And I'm Rachel. We're two Canadians living on our 39-foot mainship trawler, living an adventure of a lifetime. We invite you to follow along as we travel 6,000 miles through Canadian and U.S. waterways around America's Great Loop. It's a beautiful morning here. We're at the Wacca Wache Marina and had a lovely walk this morning. The birds are chirping, the sun is coming up. It's actually getting warm. I'm going to take my sweater off. Malcolm's just filling up our diesel. They have a good price for that. And then we're going to head out very soon. It's a beautiful day, gorgeous day. Hope you're having a great day. We've just come to the only swing bridge on our route today, the Socasti swing bridge. And it does have traffic going over now, and they just opened for somebody else, so we're just waiting for a few minutes while they go ahead and open the bridge for the boats. There's another boat behind us too, so we'll probably both go through together. there. The tide is right at the lowest right now, so we're coming up to our anchorage. Going to be there probably in about 20 minutes. And we're going to be actually near an inlet, staying near Bird Island. And I think we've had a pretty good trip today.
I think we have. It's been really interesting. We've had a wide variety of things to see.
Yeah, like going through Myrtle Beach area, there's lots of very big houses at the side, and some of them had to be really built up because of the change in water level. That was kind of different, wasn't it?
It was, and that Wacca Wache Marina where we stayed last night, fantastic place.
Yeah, Stay Cool approved.
Absolutely.
We love that place.
So quiet. The restaurant was really nice right by the water. I mean, you walk literally, 20 feet and you're at the restaurant. Couldn't be more convenient.
And the staff were outstanding. They were really helpful and helped us, fuel up and empty our black water and all that.
Yeah, so, it was a really good stay. So we recommend that to any loopers or anybody.
And the whole area right there is beautiful. The big trees, lots of birds singing, and just a really nice, quiet area.
Yeah, it's and then the trip from there is very green. Lots of greenery. Apparently, there's lots of alligators. Didn't see one. But the boat that came the previous day told us there was tons of them. So they're all hiding when we go by. They're just busy staying cool, I guess.
Yeah, this is a really interesting waterway here too, and then I try to show that as well.
Yeah, so we're not far off. It's the shallowest it's been the whole trip. We're 6.5 feet under our keel right now.
But the tide goes up, I think, 5 or 6 feet, so it's going to go up quite a bit.
And the other really interesting part about our journey is 90% of it was all in fresh water. So we're in sort of river systems that run down to the ocean, and it's all fresh water, which I really liked, and I think Stay Cool liked
I think
more.
the boat likes fresh water a lot.
Yes.
Anyway, we'll show you as we approach our anchorage here, near Bird Island. Well, we've arrived at our destination for today, which is right beside Bird Island. It's just over there, and we can take our dinghy over there and go through a park area. And we're really looking forward to doing that. And just over here is the inlet, one of the inlets that goes out to the Atlantic Ocean. And we have anchored in about 8 or 9 feet of water, and the tide will go up about 6 feet. So it'll actually change to about 14 feet deep by the time we get to high tide later on. So there's quite a bit of boat action here right now. A couple of boats that are anchored here. There are some other boats that are here, obviously just for the day along that sandy shore there. They're obviously exploring the area as well. And there's some tour boats that are going by. We did see some on our way down the Intra-coastal waterway, especially past Myrtle Beach. And some of them we've seen kind of just going by here. Some are fishing, some are just doing tours. So it's a happening place. But anyway, we've arrived. It took us, I think, around 5 hours or so. Not very far, about, I think, 40 nautical miles. I'll put the stats there. And so nice to have a little bit of a shorter day today and to explore the area here.